Alright, hello everyone. If you clicked on this video, then you probably want to become a funded trader, and so I'm just going to get right into it. So this course is just going to be basically everything I know. I want it to be simple, short trading videos. And so a little bit about me. I started trading in May 2023, and I passed my first funded challenge in November. So after 6 months, I passed my first challenge, and I got my first payout in the next January. So in 7 months, pause, 8 months, I had gotten my first payout. And then the next month over is I got another payout, and just those two wiped out all my losses that I ever had. And so I'd become profitable in 8 months. And I've watched several hundred hours of videos about trading and countless trading, just audios and trading psychology audios. And my goal here is I just want to teach what I know essentially as fast as possible with no yap, no nonsense. And if it's too quick, you can just rewind the video. And I'm not going to show 55 examples of what I teach and 15-minute long explanations for each one. It's just want to be quick explanations and maybe a few examples, and that's it. But most of what you learn will be through experience, and that's what I want to aim for you to come towards. So I want to teach how to identify the certain things that I'm teaching, and that's what you will see through experience. And so all I'm going to teach is what you can become profitable with, no doubt. However, but trading is going to be different for everybody, but you truly do need to have a desire to learn and become profitable for it to work. So just going to go over through the outline. And so here we go. So this is what I want to be teaching. Now this is about, I believe, 14 videos, maybe 14, 15. I could, and I probably will end up combining some of these concepts into one video, generally as quick as I can. So today we're just going to be going through, and you can pause the video and read all of this. You probably won't get it at all if you're new to trading, but as the videos come out, you will learn what each of these are by the end of these at most 15 videos. At most maybe 16, 17 actually. But so today it's going to be just be introduction, outline, chart setup, nothing crazy. We'll really start learning on next video, which will be reading candlesticks and session times. And so what you're probably seeing, so but the website I'm on is tradingview.com, which is what you need to have the chart analysis, figure out where price is moving. That's pretty much all you need right now. And you can see right at the top, tradingview.com. And so we're going to go to, this is probably what you will see when you first start. Here we go, if it wants to. Okay, so that's probably what you will see. It's probably what you're seeing, if you have any common sense, red is down and green is up. That's pretty much all you know. So I want you to know that these are the same charts that I'm looking at. Blue and black, green and red. It's just different colors. So in this here, you can see right here. So this candle that I'm looking at, it's a red candle and a green candle. It's the exact same thing with the black and blue. Just red is down, black is down, green is up, blue is up. So just remember that for what I'm teaching. And so my chart settings is, if you want to really be able to come into what I'm teaching and be familiar with it, then you can change your settings to what I have. Especially what you want to see is the colors. But if you're able to get it on your own, then you don't need to. So just pause the video if you need to. This is all my chart settings. So there you go. Okay, so first of all, chart setup, that's pretty much all you need right now. And then I'm going to the data. So right now I'm going to be teaching mainly kind of just the NASDAQ and S&P 500, how to trade those. And that's just the examples I'm going to be using. So I will go into further detail with Forex later on, but just right now, just pretty much just only worrying about one thing, NASDAQ. See at the top, NASDAQ 100 E-mini futures, and then S&P 500 E-mini futures. And that's pretty much the only things you'll see as I'm starting out. And so first of all, if you just look it up by itself, you're going to see lots of different charts. So all of these different charts, you're going to pick one. And now I gotta say I must say they are all different. And so looking at this one, this is just a random chart I picked out, right? This one too with NASDAQ. Okay, this is one that I use for my broker. but I do not do any analysis on it. But if you look at this red line right here, okay, see how this blue candle went above. There's a line coming out of the body of it up over the red line, right? But look at this one. Does the blue go over the red line? No. They're completely different, and things like those can askew your analysis and just mess it up and allow you to take a bad trade, and we can't be risking that. So what you want to be looking for is NQ1 for NASDAQ and ES1 for S&P. And this is the only accurate, fully accurate price, because they're futures. There's no type of, they're not controlled by anybody. Well, excuse me. They're not controlled by different like brokers like all of these are. If we were to look up, sorry, what the heck? Okay, here we go. If we were to look up NASDAQ, we have all of this. Futures, this is the exact price of what you're going to be looking at. This is what people who trade futures look at. It's all the same price. So this is what you want to be doing all your analysis on. This is what I'm going to be doing all of my analysis on. So that's that. So because the multitude of different charts for whatever you're trading, they're going to be different from each other essentially. So a setup might form on one chart, but in reality on this futures chart, which is what you really want to be looking at, which is price is going to be reacting and moving off of, it's not going to appear, and you might think that it's there, but it's really not because you're looking at the wrong chart. So if you look around, I can't find the exact spot right now, but you do have to pay for these. I believe it's maybe like $6 a month for live data. Otherwise, it's just going to be 10 minutes of delay. You don't need to buy anything right now since you're still learning and there's no live trading needed, but later on I will show how to purchase this data. But if you don't, you can still pull up the chart. It's going to be 10 minutes delayed, but you'll still see pretty much everything I'm showing. And so I believe that is that. So next video will be on reading candlesticks and session times. And yeah, that's it. All right. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.